Hey everybody, this is Mark from Cheyenne Professional Tattoo Equipment, and welcome to our little series about FAQs. What's the perfect machine for lining and what's the perfect machine for shading? Actually, we have three machines with a 4mm stroke. That's the Hawk Thunder, that's the Solterra, and that's the Solnova Unlimited 4.0. And these three machines with the 4mm stroke have for sure the hardest punch and the hardest hit. So you will get crisp lines in the end. So we say that would be the best machines for lining and color packing. On the other hand, for smooth shadings, you want to have a much shorter stroke, and the Hawk Spirit and the Sol Luna with the 2.5mm stroke will provide everything you need for soft shadings. So, in the end, these 5 machines for these 2 styles will be perfect. Do you have to use a foot switch when using our machines and power units? If you used to, for sure you can, because we provide this foot switch working with our power units and all the machines, super easy to use. But you can also unplug the foot switch, start the machine from the power unit directly, and stop it there again. So it's up to you. If you like foot switches, use it. If not, just use the power unit. Can I use the Hawk grips on the Solterra and Sol Luna, or can I use the Sol grips on the Hawk Thunder and Hawk Spirit? It actually depends on you. The Hawk grips are available in 2 sizes. That's 21mm and that's 25.4mm. And the Sol grips as well, small, medium and large, which is 33mm. So it's totally up to you. If you like the shiny or the matte finish, you can use them with all the machines that are angled from Cheyenne. Can I use other batteries than the ones provided with the Solnova Unlimited? A battery is a battery, and if it meets all the specifications of this battery, it's a battery. But actually, we developed the Solnova Unlimited exactly for and with this battery. It's a Panasonic NCR 18500A, and it is available in online shops all over the world for little money. So actually, do not try out anything that might be working. Choose this battery and you will have the perfect match for the machine. We hope that was a little helpful for you, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below this video or check the other episodes of this series. And until then, stay safe and healthy.